people can give back to the jobs, to the community. You have a lot of people want to work with the community a lot more than institutions.
You know, let's find better ways to express ourselves, better ways to learn about society. Let's find better ways to let out our energy.
And if people can't get decent jobs, and if they're jailed unfairly, and then when they get out of jail they can't get a job, they can't get housing, and so on, that concerns us too.
Well, the people will have jobs. They'll become taxpayers and not using our taxpayer money while they're being housed in jail.
I think it's going to decrease crime because people do want to work. And if you do mess up when you're younger and you're given a second chance, you know, you grow a lot.
This is an ongoing fight till a population of our people are able to get back to work, and be able to play a role in mainstream society.
I also think about the individuals who they're putting in jail unnecessarily for minor crimes when they could work with them and help them become productive members of society.
At the same rate, we're incarcerating people the highest, and you know, and that's just unbelievable to know that we incarcerate people at these kind of levels, and to be one of the most forward-thinking, considered one of the world's leading countries. So we're beginning to think about how we can look and address and change these issues around criminal justice reform and giving voice to voices. So thank you.
My man, thanks a lot, boss. Appreciate it.